Hi Ray, a couple of issues have surfaced that I've seen on the demo page once I go from the demo map page to a page and then subsequently back again to do the next phase of the green tooltips such as these. So the first issue is, I think it's called the Z index. I'm sure you're familiar with it. So this is meant to be over the top of the grey triangle that you can see there. It also happens for zoom in and in any other instances like that. Now if I go to favorite and I click it, oh well, it seems to be working this time. Previously I clicked it and it took a while for the marker to turn green. Now the other issue, so we can see on zoom in that needs to be fixed up there. This favorite should stay in bold if this marker underneath is green. Same with viewed. If this marker was grey, that should stay in bold to indicate that that button is active. If I click it again, I should be clicking off, so that should go from bold to unbold as soon as I click it. Yeah, so that's kind of that. So just to recap, the Z index of these items, when I click on favorite, it goes bold straight away. If I was to click on it, it should go unbold straight away. Actually, you can see it here right at the moment that well, I don't know, the marker's actually disappeared there. It wasn't changing color straight away, and as you can see at the moment it's actually disappeared. I'm not sure why. And if I click on another one, it's gone green straight away this time. I don't know, but at the moment that marker's disappeared completely. And as you can see, remousing over one of the icons, the copy, the button is not bold, which it should be. And then if I was to click on it to turn it off, you can see, so it's just appeared. So yeah, there seems to be some issues there. I'm sure you can see them, and I'll leave it with you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.